How to create a video without showing your face at home for your YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you the secrets of most YouTubers, and they don't want you to know and learn these tricks and techniques. Please pay attention to this video and watch till end to learn these secrets, tricks, and techniques. In this tutorial video we show you just by using the internet, how to find videos and free music and edit it, to make a video for your YouTube channel without showing your face and your voice just sitting at home. Let's start. Don't forget to subscribe YMG YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. At the beginning you should find your topic and write it on your phone notes, then edit it. After editing, those who are using iPhone, by selecting the text it read it for you.
7 profitable business ideas with low investment for women's. Nowadays all women's or housewives are looking for extra income from fulfilling those dreams and family support.
And those who are using Android, you can download this app, Speechify or SpeechBit. Copy and paste your text in this app and choose your language and voice for read the text. Then screen record your text reading.
Many entrepreneurs are thinking too much for startup.
Now you need video for your topic. Then go to these sites: www.pexels.com, www.pixabay.com, www.unsplash.com, www.rawpixel.com, www.videvo.net. These websites are providing the high quality, free and no copyright photo and videos. After downloading videos, open your YouTube channel in browser, then on browser setting click on request desktop site, then click on profile of your channel, then click to YouTube Studio, then on YouTube Studio click the audio library. These are free music you can use in all of your videos. After downloading, open the CapCut application, click to new project, add your screen record video. Then click extract audio. Then add your videos above the extracted audio. And delete the video of screen recording. Then start editing. About subscribe button motion, go to chroma key, select green color to remove background. If you like to add text in your video, click on text and add your text. Also, for better showing, add motion to texts. After finishing the edit, export video, and the resolution should be 1080 and frame rate for standard should be 25 or 30. Also, you can see the size of video about 500 megabytes. If you have problem with uploading and you want fast uploading, then go to the VN application, add your final video and click to export. In export setting, the resolution and frame rate should be the same for the lower size. In the average bitrate, choose lower bitrate for your video lower size.
Seven profitable business ideas with low investment for women's. Nowadays, all women's or housewives are looking for extra income from fulfilling those dreams and family support. There are many online and offline business scopes are already available in this new generation. If you are looking for part-time or full-time profitable business ideas with low investment, then you can watch full video and get 7 profitable business ideas with low investment for women's. These all businesses can be successfully operated from your home as a part-time or full-time. So, are you ready?
Do you like it? If yes, so share this video with your friends. If you are not our YouTube subscriber, then you might have seen our video on this topic. For more video and for support us, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. If you have any questions, we will be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.